The latest version of the Acumatica-Magento Connector is also the most advanced, supporting real-time sync, data validations, new entities, and easy integrations. In this video, we'll take a look at the specific features available in the Enhanced Connector. Whether you create, delete, or alter records within Acumatica or Magento, the change will immediately be reflected in both systems. You will also be able to control exactly what fields you want synced, increasing speed and reducing overhead. With simplified interfaces, attributes can easily be created, configured, and mapped. No programming necessary. For businesses using more than one website, multi-site support lets you centralize your storefronts by segmenting and organizing product and order data in one place. Order statuses can now be mapped to maintain transparency with your customers. The Failed Orders Sync tool alerts you to any orders that don't transmit to Acumatica, allowing you to resync them easily from your Magento website. Upgraded data validation ensures that data being pushed through the connector remains consistent and accurate. The Enhanced Connector provides a robust selection of supported entities for e-commerce. These entities are driven by the connector's real-time data sync. Faster sync means optimized performance for business operations. Added features like sales price worksheets, gift cards, and rewards give you the tools to incentivize customers and increase sales. Kenzium offers additional integrations designed to work with the Enhanced Connector. Integrate the Kenzium product configurator. It supports a variety of product types depending on your business needs. Or integrate with Commerce Pro and leverage even more beneficial features through the Enhanced Acumatica-Magento Connector. Kenzium's Enhanced Acumatica-Magento Connector is packed with new functionality, making it a must-have e-commerce solution for merchants looking to grow and scale their businesses. Visit kenziumsolutions.com to learn more.